Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel TLV Academy. Today we are diving into a very important topic in medical laboratory quality management. Document control and record maintenance under ISO 15189. If you are preparing for accreditation or just want to ensure your lab's quality system is strong, then understanding this clause is absolutely essential. What is document control? In ISO 15189, document control refers to the process of managing all the documents that form part of the laboratory's quality management system. The goal is to make sure everyone is using the latest approved version of each document and that outdated or obsolete documents don't cause errors or confusion. Key requirements for document control. ISO 15189 outlines specific requirements for how documents should be handled. Here are some key points. Approval. All documents must be reviewed and approved before being issued. Version control. Each document should have a version number, date, and who approved it. Availability. Documents must be easily accessible at the point of use. Obsolete documents. When a document is updated, the old version should be removed from use, but a copy can be archived for reference. Periodic review. Documents should be reviewed regularly to keep them current. Record maintenance. Now let's talk about record maintenance. While documents guide how things should be done, records are the proof of what has been done. ISO 15189 requires that records like test reports, equipment calibration logs, quality control results, and training records must be accurate, legible, and stored safely. Key points include retention time. Records must be retained for a defined period, depending on national regulations and lab policies. Protection. Records should be protected from damage, loss, or unauthorized access. Traceability. It should be easy to trace who created or modified a record and when. Electronic records. Using electronic systems, great, but they also come with responsibilities. ISO 50189 requires that electronic document and record systems are secure, backed up regularly, access controlled, and capable of maintaining audit trails. So to wrap up, document control and record maintenance may sound administrative, but they are the backbone of a reliable and accredited medical laboratory. Getting this right helps ensure consistent quality, improves traceability, and supports a culture of continuous improvement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on ISO standards and lab quality systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.